Are you tired of high fees and long waits for money transfers? Ripple is changing the game with its RLUSD stablecoin. In a recent blog post, Ripple highlighted how RLUSD could revolutionize remittances. Last year, remittances to low-income countries hit $685 billion. This support is crucial, representing 3% of GDP in over 80 nations. However, the current system is filled with problems: expensive fees, delays, and access issues. Ripple believes stablecoins like RLUSD can solve these challenges. Instead of traditional providers, RLUSD enables users to send money almost instantly using blockchain technology. Recipients can easily hold, spend, or convert these funds into local currency, regardless of having a bank account. This process drastically reduces costs and speeds up settlements. Plus, it opens financial access for the unbanked, which is essential in developing regions. Ripple isn't alone in its pursuit. Visa is also leveraging stablecoins like USDC to enhance cross-border payments in areas like the Middle East and Africa. With RLUSD receiving regulatory approval, Ripple is integrating it into various initiatives. One example is a $25 million donation to educational non-profits, highlighting RLUSD's importance beyond just transactions. As blockchain adoption grows and regulations align, Ripple envisions RLUSD transforming international money transfers. The future of remittances is here, and it's efficient and inclusive. Are you ready to embrace the change? Explore how RLUSD can improve your money transfers today.